you're watching this video, then you're probably searching up on how to build a simple and easy melon farm, and you came to the right video since we're going to build this melon farm as easy as possible for you or to the people who want to build it in survival, and this is also efficient in any other way. So let's start this video.
I'm up and
For today's video, we're going to build the most simplest and easiest melon farm in this game. And you can start it at early in your survival world. But what are the blocks that we're going to need to create such farm? Well, for the block of our choice, we're going to be using white concrete, but as I said, any block of your choice. And mud blocks, grass block, chest, but you can also use dirt, melon seeds, water, bucket, netherite hoe, pistons, redstone dust, observer, and hoppers. But to begin this, let's put two of our chests. Then after that, put what they call is the hopper. Then before we put everything else, we're gonna need to put all the pistons. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put the pistons on the port block of this. Then yeah. Then put the what do you call this? The mud block. Then you're gonna do it 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is a 6 by 1 melon farm, but you can also expand this in the near future. Then you put this. Then you put the hoppers. Then you put the mud block. Then after that, you're going to surround it, but beneath those or beneath the grass block, you put a block. Then you surround it again, surround it here, then put water. So it's in your choice if you're going to fill all of this with water, but for me, I'm only gonna use one water bucket since it doesn't need to be full or to be filled, to be exact. Then after that, now that you add this, block this, then then block also this. Okay, okay, okay. Then after that, put the observer blocks. Wait, I'm gonna get observer blocks, then the redstone dust. Okay, put that there, that there, that there. Wait, did I accidentally place a... Okay. What the heck? Why am I placing this? That there, that here, and that there. Then spam. But since the melons already grow, yeah. As you can see, it's now harvesting melons. And then we'll keep harvesting. And the difference with this is it's fully automatic, meaning to say you don't have to interact with it in able to collect the melons. You just collect the melons. Yeah, it's fully automatic. So the only downside to this, since chunks are only loaded when the player is present, you're gonna be standing near the farm for it to what do you call this? Grow melons. But yeah, that's how you create a simple and basic melon farm in under a few minutes. But you're going to need resources. But yeah, this is the closest thing that you can build to a simple and easy melon farm. As you can see, it's very efficient. Anyways, that is all for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment whatever you want. And again, this is Tony Gaming. Goodbye.